Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to start by confirming the essentials so purchases can proceed. First, open Settings and make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID. This matters because purchases tie to that account. Next, check iPad OS and available storage. Updates and downloads require space. Then switch to a reliable Wi-Fi or a stable cellular connection. Weak networks cause App Store purchase failures. Once done, proceed to payment and account checks that follow. Now address why the App Store rejects purchases, account or payment problems. You should tap your profile in the App Store, choose View Apple ID, and re-authenticate. That refreshes account tokens. Next, update or re-add a payment method. Expired or mismatched billing details cause denials. Also inspect screen time purchase restrictions and family sharing purchase settings because parental or regional limits can block buys. After adjusting these, try the purchase again to see if the issue clears. Finish the process by attempting the purchase and completing authentication with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. This final confirmation authorizes billing. If the purchase still fails, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPad, and sign back in to reset session tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, collect evidence, a screenshot of the error and your purchase attempts, and contact Apple support while providing your Apple ID. That gets deeper account fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.